The rise of sustainable fashion. Why the Avora Nature fabric tote bag matters. In recent years, sustainability has become more than just a buzzword. It has evolved into a global movement that is reshaping industries, consumer habits, and the future of fashion itself. What we wear, how it's made, and what happens to it after use are now critical questions in the modern consumer landscape. Among the most important changes is a shift away from single-use plastic bags and synthetic accessories towards reusable, eco-conscious alternatives. One product that perfectly reflects this transformation is the Avora Nature fabric tote bag. Designed for a conscious consumer, the Avora Nature tote bag is more than a simple accessory. It's a statement of values. Crafted from high-quality, breathable cotton, the bag is biodegradable, durable, and stylish. Its clean, minimalistic design aligns with modern fashion trends, while it practically makes it an ideal everyday companion, whether you're heading to the local farmer's market, commuting to work, taking a day trip, or meeting friends for coffee. The tote seamlessly fits into your daily routine. Unlike fast fashion items that prioritize mass production and low cost at the expense of environmental impact, the Avora Nature tote stands as a counterpoint, a product rooted in mindfulness, simplicity, and purpose. The problem with plastic, a global challenge. Each year, over 300 million tons of plastic are produced, and an alarming amount ends up polluting our oceans and ecosystem. Plastic bags, often used for only a few minutes, can take centuries to degrade. They contribute not only to visible waste, but also to microplastic pollution that affects marine life and human health. The consequences of plastic overuse are becoming increasingly difficult to ignore, from floating garbage patches in the ocean to harmful toxins found in our food chain. Choosing reusable fabric bags like the Avora Nature tote is a small change with the potential for profound environmental impact. One person switching to reusable bags can prevent hundreds, even thousands of plastic bags from entering landfills and waterways. Now multiply that action by millions, and the ripple effect becomes transformative. Functional elegance meets sustainability. What makes the Avora Nature fabric tote bag stand out is its blend of functionality and elegance. Reinforced stitching adds strength, allowing you to carry heavy items confidently. Its spacious interior holds everything from laptops and books to groceries, workout gear, or baby essentials. It's versatile enough to complement a casual outfit, serve as a day bag for work, or become your go-to travel companion. It's not just about carrying things, it's about carrying them with intention. The tote allows you to stay organized, travel light, and reduce your dependency on disposable bags without compromising on style. Natural materials, ethical production. Avora Nature believes that everything we need comes from nature. The tote bag is made using 100% plant-based materials, free from synthetic dyes, microplastics, or harsh chemicals. This is not only better for your skin, but also for the planet. The natural fibers offer breathability and softness while maintaining structural integrity even with frequent use. They break down naturally at the end of their life cycle, unlike synthetic materials that persist in the environment for generations. Equally important is the ethical aspect for its production. Each tote is created under fair working conditions, When you invest in this product, you are also supporting a responsible supply chain that prioritizes workers' rights, fair wages, and safe labor practices. Versatility beyond fashion. While the bag fits seamlessly into the world of sustainable fashion, its utility extends far beyond. It appeals to digital nomads, eco-conscious parents, students, artists, minimalists, and anyone in between. Whether you are carrying tools for side hustle, a notebook for journaling, reusable containers for zero waste shopping, or fresh produce from a local market, the Avora Nature tote adapts to your need. Its neutral, timeless design makes it suitable for all genders and age groups. It's a practical gift, a wardrobe essential, and a conversation starter all in one. Brand philosophy, from avocado to awareness. Avora Nature began with a focus on the power of natural ingredients, especially avocado, for skincare and wellness. Over time, the brand's vision expanded to embrace a broader mission: inner well-being, outer beauty, and conscious living. The fabric tote bag fits perfectly into this philosophy. It's a tool, a statement, and a reminder that small daily choices shape our collective future. Just as the avocado nourishes from within, Avora Nature's products, including the tote, encourage mindful living from the inside out. The brand is committed to bridging the gap between sustainability and daily convenience. Care instructions built to last. To preserve its quality and extend its life, the tote should be hand washed or machine washed on a gentle cycle with cold water. Avoid using strong degenerate or bleach. Air drying is recommended to maintain the fabric's softness and durability. With proper care, this bag will be a reliable companion for years to come. Its durability reduces the need for frequent replacements, further lowering your ecological footprint. A sustainable investment. Affordability, priced and made to last, the Avora Nature fabric tote bag is not just a purchase, it's a contribution to a better world. It helps reduce your environmental footprint, limits reliance on plastic, and reinforces a lifestyle based on awareness, care, and responsibility. Unlike trendy accessories that go out of style in months, the Avora Nature tote is timeless in both function and fashion. It is designed not just to be used, but to be valued, to age with character, and to remain relevant in a rapidly changing world. Conclusion: carry the future. We live in a time where our choices matter more than ever. What we wear, what we eat, and what we carry all reflects our values. The Avora Nature fabric tote bag offers a simple, powerful way to align your lifestyle with your principles. Choose better, choose natural, choose Avora Nature. Ready to make a switch? Visit avoranature.com to discover the Avora Nature fabric tote bag and become part of the movement toward a cleaner, more conscious world. As always, stay natural, stay Avora.